So guys, I'm in the Dollar General, the actual home store, because I wanted to get some groceries. But I didn't think I was going to find much. This is a well-kept store. This is a newer store. So they tend not to have many pennies. So I'm just here looking for more storage. And then I came across these lovely green dots. And guess what? They are all pennies. So yeah, let me show you. So I actually wanted to try to get some of the ones that I had already. That's why I was in this aisle looking, because I'm always looking for storage. So trying to scan this. Let me turn it the right way, the long way. And as you see, there we are. So they're the UPCs for that. And the UPC for that one. I'm going to take all of these. And so they're different colors, so they have different UPCs. And I'm sorry, I was away from the phone. They're different colors because they have different UPCs. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Thank you very much. And then I saw this. This must have reset already because this is not scanning a penny, but it says holiday style. So I'm going to see if it can be overridden. If not, oh well, I'll put it back. So I'm still in housewares, just checking some things out. And wanted to scan that. That's really pretty. I like that. It goes with my decor. And I saw something down there. And I was like, hey, what's that? So I scanned it. Housewares. Boom. What is it? Our happy place. What's your happy place? Drop that in the comment. What makes you happy? So the house is supposed to be your happy place. It sure is mine. I like that clock. That's $20, but it's scanning at 10. These are cute. These are scanning at $3.75. I like this one. There we are. Here are some coin toss games, pickleball, design a vinyl. I'm going to scan some of these just to see what they are coming up at. Party lights, spinning bulb, starlight projector. These are brown dots. So let's see what it scans at. There's like hardly anybody in this store. All right. Of course, it's not working right. Yep, still $5. Let's see what this is. Just out of curiosity, since we're scanning. That's $5. All right, nothing special. Nothing to see over here. Keep it moving. Make a hole, make a hole. That's what the police used to say. Nothing to see here. Make a hole. All right, let's see what this is scanning at. $5. All right. Let's keep it moving. So this is 50% off, but it's excluding True Living, red dot, green dot, and purple dot. So I got one of these. The cutting board, I really don't need any cutting boards, but I need a bigger one for the meat. So this one is still scanning at $4, and this is not True Living. So this should be $2. Meanwhile, this is scanning This is $6. It's True Living, and it's scanning half off at $3. Go figure. Because it clearly says excluding True Living. This should be $4, but I don't need that. But I did get a big baking sheet, a new one. See any pennies? I'm gonna scan these. I don't need any glasses. I'm just gonna scan it. Just because I'm in here. Be sweet. Don't need any of those tumblers. Have plenty of these for my mug gifts. I'm gonna scan these mason jars though. This is too cute. Oh my goodness. I'm definitely gonna scan that. That's cute. They have a spoon rest to match. All right, guys, let me get to scanning and then I'm gonna get out of here. Most of you who watch me aren't subscribed. What are you waiting on? Hit that subscribe button. And there's the as seen on TV. See anything? Wow, this is the biggest as seen on TV section I have seen in all the stores that I'm in. Nothing's jumping out. Something's telling me I'm missing it. I really need another garden hose. I'm gonna scan that. I'm gonna scan a few things, but I gotta get out of here. All right, take care. Now for you being so nice to me, I appreciate you. I'll buy you a candy bar. Yep. Well, thank you for being so nice. I appreciate you. You work hard. Have a good one. Enjoy your candy bar.
I will.
Thank you. All right. I forgot to check the electronics. That's all right. All right. It's closing time. Your girl shut it down. I'm not the last customer. I think there's like 3 or 4 other customers. So I will show you everything. Well, Coca-Cola, you're going to get some free advertisement. All right, I'm showing you how much I spent. $11.77 with chain. Tax is $12.62. I'll break everything down for you because some things are half off, and then there's my penny items and my 6 wire basket, 6 pennies that I did get. And then you see that. Oh, there's my penny sheet. Actually took and pennied out the pans because it has Christmas. It was holiday. She did the overrides for certain things that were supposed to be half off, and they were not scanning half off, so she took half off. So I did pretty darn good, and I'll break it down and show you everything. So somebody broke in and took Newports.
That's Newports. That's it.
Oh my goodness.
That's it.
When was that?
Sometime when nobody was here.
I mean, yesterday? Today?
Maybe last week.
Oh my goodness. They ain't fixed the door yet?
No.
Okay, let me give you this back. Thanks again, okay? I really appreciate you. Guys, it is cold out here. OMG. Let me get in the car.